Big up the corner shop, big up the lane. Chill Spot was a massive hit for Christopher Martin. Let's get the backstory behind the song from Chris himself in our Fiwi Culture segment.
Big up anywhere you can chill, all a vibe and build, release your stress and relax, yeah.
What was it that inspired the song Chill Spot?
Alright, what inspired Chill Spot? The many places when we go for chill. You understand? Yeah, cause when, as the song says, when work has stressed me and my girl now caress me, you have to have a few spots where you can relax, you see me? And yeah, and we just have big up them spots there. Big up the ball field, big up the barber shop, you know what I mean? Big up the roadside, wherever you go to relax your mind and just have a good time. Yeah, that was the main inspiration behind the song, and it resonated well with the masses. As you say, it was a very big song. It is a very big song.
What's your favorite chill spot?
Right now, this very present moment, my favorite chill spot is anywhere domino table is.
Big up the barber shop, big up the ball field where the ball is at, yo, just before me go home.
Where was the song recorded and what was the name of the rhythm?
The song was recorded, I'm trying to remember if I recorded it. I actually did that song for Jordan, Chimney Records. I'm trying to remember if I did it at his studio or we did it at Big Yard. I think I'm leaning towards it was recorded at Big Yard.
Out for love and chat and forget about all of the struggle them face throughout the day.
Did you expect Chill Spot to have taken off the way that it did while you were recording it?
Not really, no. To be honest, I didn't expect it to take off the way it did, but I always loved the song. I always loved the song and I knew that, you know, it would be a special song for some people, but to see the way that the people embraced it, and not just in Jamaica, but the world at large, yeah man, it blew my mind. And that's how I feel like it should be when you're a creative. Things should surpass your expectations, you see me? And that's exactly what Chill Spot did.
I miss a big up the barber shop, big up the ball field where the ball is at, yo.
And just like that, we're at the end of another episode of Pree Dis Show. But no worry on yourself, we'll be back next week. Until then, Downtown Massive, big up on yourself. I'm your host Naldo Addis, signing out. Take care of yourself, you know. Zane? Alright.